Understanding contrast, enhancing your English language skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the concept of contrast. Understanding this term is crucial because it's commonly used in both spoken and written English. So, let's dive in and explore the various facets of contrast together. Contrast is a noun and verb that plays a significant role in English. As a noun, it refers to the difference between two or more things, highlighting how they are opposite or dissimilar. For example, when we talk about the contrast between day and night, we're referring to the differences in light, activity, and atmosphere. As a verb, contrast means to compare two or more things in order to show the differences. For instance, you might contrast two artworks to discuss their different styles, themes, or techniques. To truly grasp the meaning of contrast, it's important to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. As a noun, the contrast between the rich and the poor in the city is striking. 2. As a verb, the teacher asks us to contrast the two poems, focusing on their themes and styles. Notice how contrast helps to highlight differences and encourages critical thinking. Contrast is often used in specific phrases that help to amplify its meaning. Here are some common examples. 1. In contrast, used to show a stark difference between two things. Example: the old building is quite plain, but the new one, in contrast, is very stylish. 2. By contrast, similar to in contrast, but often used at the beginning of a sentence. Example: by contrast, the countryside offers peace and quiet, away from the city's hustle and bustle. Understanding these phrases can enhance your ability to express differences clearly and effectively. Now that we've explored contrast, here are some tips to incorporate it into your English communication. 1. Use contrast when you want to highlight differences between ideas, objects, or situations. 2. Remember the common phrases, in contrast, and by contrast, to enrich your sentences. 3. Practice identifying contrasts in everyday life to strengthen your understanding and usage of the term. And that's a wrap on our exploration of contrast. We hope this video has illuminated the many ways you can use this term to express differences and make your communication more vibrant. Don't forget to practice what you've learned, and soon, contrast will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.